Bienvenidos a esta lección de inglés. Hoy vamos a aprender vocabulario esencial para trabajar en una cafetería y veremos cómo usar estas palabras en diferentes situaciones. Empecemos.
Let's start with some basic words you'll need in a coffee shop. First word, coffee.
Yes, that's an easy one. Coffee is the main thing people order in a coffee shop. You can say, "Would you like a cup of coffee?" Or, "How do you take your coffee?"
Perfect. Now, the next word, cup.
A cup is what you use to serve the coffee. For example, you might say, "Here is your cup of coffee." You can also ask, "Do you need an extra cup?" if someone is sharing.
Good one. Next, order.
This is very important. Order can be a noun or a verb. As a verb, you say, "Can I take your order?" And as a noun, you could say, "Your order is ready."
That's right. Now let's look at menu.
The menu shows all the drinks and food that the coffee shop offers. You can say, "Here's the menu," or ask, "Would you like to see the menu?"
Exactly. Now let's move on to something sweet, pastry.
Oh yes, a pastry is a sweet baked good like a croissant or a muffin. You can say, "Would you like a pastry with your coffee?"
Delicious. Okay, next word, milk.
Important for lattes and cappuccinos. You can ask, "Would you like milk in your coffee?" Or, "We have different types of milk, regular, almond or soy."
Very useful. Now let's talk about something we all need, tip.
Yes, in some countries, it's common to leave a tip for good service. You can say, "Thank you for your tip." Or, "Would you like to leave a tip?"
Great, great. Let's do a few more. Next word, to go.
This is when the customer wants to take the coffee with them. You ask, "Is this for here or to go?" Or, "Would you like your coffee to go?"
Perfect. Last word for today, receipt.
The receipt is the paper that shows what you bought. You can ask, "Would you like a receipt?" Or, "Here's your receipt."
And that's our vocabulary list. Now, let's practice using these words in a short conversation.
I'll be the customer and Olivia, you can be the barista.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Hi, I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
A medium, please. And can I have it to go?
Of course. Would you like milk in your coffee?
Yes, just a little bit of almond milk.
Got it. Anything else? Maybe a pastry?
Yes, I'll take a croissant.
Perfect. Your total is $5. Here's your order and your receipt.
Thank you. I'll leave a tip.
Thank you. Have a great day. Great day.
Muy bien, hemos aprendido vocabulario clave para trabajar en una cafetería y lo hemos aplicado en una conversación real. Ahora es tu turno para practicar. No olvides suscribirte a nuestro canal, comentar, darle a me gusta y compartir. Todo eso nos ayuda a seguir creciendo y ofreciéndote contenido de utilidad. Te dejo con otros vídeos de nuestro canal que también te pueden interesar.